Hello guys, this is Paco. I am here with Logan. A few days ago, I got an email from Nick that he would like to know how to change the oil of a Corolla. So I have a Corolla as well, so we're going to do the oil change of a Corolla 2022, where we are going to include the oil change, the oil filter, the air filter, and also the cabin filter, and also how to reset the lights on the remainder of the maintenance. Alright, so please follow me and see our video. Okay, in order to do the oil change, you will need oil, full synthetic 0W20, the oil filter. I like to use the original one, a funnel, an oil pan, and air filter for the engine and air filter for the cabin. For the tools, you will need to have a oil filter extractor, M10, and a M14 wrench. You can use a wrench, or you can use these ones that are very handy to remove them, and also a torque for the oil pan plug. So, all right, let's do this. I got the incorrect Fumoro valve. This is 16 by 1.5, and this is the one that we need. This is 12.5 by 125. So as you can see, you can see 12 by 125 fits perfect. So I will reorder, and please follow me to see the video when I install it in another oil change. The new oil filter comes with a washer, so the cross washer, so we can remove this one and use this one here. Perfect. air filter